Just text, I know it's a toss up, but I hate the fact that we lost touch. Ayy, the Uber pulling up on call. Tell me, is you trying to?
Hey you guys, welcome or welcome back. If you don't know who I am, my name is Reesie. This is my beauty channel where we come to slay, especially on a budget. And if you're new, don't forget to hit that red button down below and turning on your post notifications. As you can tell, I'm rocking this super cute ash blonde unit. This hair is brought to you by Yolissa Hair Company. So of course I'm going to show you what's inside the bag, how I customize this unit, as well as how to fix your wigs if it's too small. So if that is something you're interested in, then definitely keep on watching. Bye.
Niecy, do you think you overdid it with our hair? Nope. I sure don't. Because we going to Beverly Hills. Now, if I'm going to do good at that audition, we got to look like stars.
So in this bag, I received an elastic band, some eyelashes, an edge control brush, a head wrap, as well as a wig cap. This unit is a 613 cap size medium at 180% density. She is 13 by 4 lace wig. She is actually very small, so definitely size up in the cap size, but she is very thick. The hairline is very thick as well, and it comes with adjustable straps and combs. So we are going to dye this unit first. I am using the Clairol Root Touch Up for G for the roots, as well as the Revlon Color 70. This is going to be the medium ash blonde, and then I'm also taking the dark ash blonde, and I'm just going to use both. I'm going to interchange it, so we're going to create highlights with this unit. I am using 4 boxes of the ash colors because the hair is super thick, and then all you have to do is just follow the directions. It's just step 1 into step 2, shake it up, and then boom, you have your bottles. I like to write on my bottles just so I know the difference in when I'm interchanging the colors, and then definitely create parts for your unit so it can be easy to apply the dye while you are, dyeing the hair. And then don't forget to use gloves, y'all. And then here I am parting the unit. See how I have 3 sections, and then I'm using the outside parts using the medium blondes, and then I'm using the dark blonde for the middle, and then for the next section up I interchange those. And make sure you focus a lot on the roots as well, just because the root is the thickest part and you don't want like blotches in your hair. So here I'm just interchanging each of the sections. You can see I'm pretty bad at explaining how to dye hair, but you can see visually that I'm every other strand of hair I am dyeing and switching the colors, and I did use all 4 boxes. And then for the frontal, I am using the Root Touch Up Clairol in the color 4G, I believe. This is actually very dark. I wanted it light brown, but it's cool. It still came out super cute. So this color does run very dark. I'm using the brush that it came with in the box, and then I'm just parting it and being careful not to dye the lace. And yeah, just go back and forth. Make sure you go under and over on the roots. You guys do not miss any sections. After I finish doing the root touch up on all the roots on the frontal, I then went ahead and did the same thing. I interchanged the blondes, the ash blonde and the dark blonde, just to create those nice low lights and highlights into the unit. And I did put the dye over the black dye, and it seemed to not run through. So that's something, you guys can learn or know about, because sometimes dye runs through and I didn't want any black pieces in the front. But yeah, it came out super good. I let this sit for like an hour, and then I wash it out with regular shampoo and conditioner. And this is the next day, me plucking. It took me like 30 minutes to pluck because this hairline was super thick, and my wrist is hurting till this day doing this voiceover. Okay, it was a lot, but it still ended up looking super cute. And then I just decided to style this unit off of my head. So in the next clip, I am trying this new Moroccan oil heat brush and also the heat protectant spray that Amazon gifted me, and so far it did its thing, y'all. Like, 613 hair is very thick, so I was gonna blow dry it in the hottest setting, but using this brush definitely helps tame this unit. And yeah, look at how straight it got compared to the original state. The only thing is you will have to, brush it in slow motion just so it can get as straight as possible. And it goes up to, I believe, 440 degrees. No, 410. I forgot, but I'll have it down below for you guys to check out. But yeah, after that, I took my Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine and just put that all throughout the hair. Look at the luster in that hair, super bomb. But yeah, I'm taking my Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine, run my fingers through that, and then part the unit again. And I took some more Sleek and Shine and ended up putting it in each section as well, because 613 hair gets super dry and it's super thick and it's super brittle. So make sure you are moisturizing the hair throughout. And then I got a new what is this? Curling iron, and it's with all the stylists are using right now, and it's actually pretty expensive. If you watch my last vlog, I broke my freaking curling iron and it was like 30 bucks, so it was long overdue for another curling iron, and it did its thing, girl. It did its thing. But now we are going to install this unit. So I am doing the ball cap method. I'm using the gold can and it works so good. Ball cap method on bald, but y'all, this unit did not fit my head whatsoever. I was so upset because once I had to cut the lace, it's a wrap for this. So a quick tip on how to fix your units that is too small for your head is cutting the lace from the tracks. So see how I'm cutting that lace away from the tracks or the actual cap? This will help, leave some room. But the only thing about this is once you cut that lace from the unit, girl, it's not gonna be wearable after the next wash. Maybe one more wash, but it's not gonna last. So just beware for that. And then here I'm just cutting the ear tabs, and I'm just gonna go ahead and play some music that I found on Epidemic Sound. If you're new to my channel, I love playing vibey music while you watch me install my units. So I found another one by King Sis, so hope you guys enjoy.
Just text, I know it's a toss up, but I hate the fact that we lost touch. Ayy, the Uber pulling up on call. Tell me, is you trying to fall through? I'ma leave it up to you. What you wanna do? Look, I'm trying to spend this time with you. Know we overdue. What you doing right now? Baby, won't you swing my way? It's been a day and I've been thinking out loud. I know I want you. Long time since the last time. Got a tab, we could run up. Knew you from the way, now we grown up. My look, yeah, made the realest ones nervous. But if you want it, tap in. I think that I know somewhere that we could go to crash land. We could keep the pace on slow, jam. Don't leave me on red. Can we go back where we first began? No plans, all we had was the moment. Just text, I know it's a toss-up. We was raised a little different. Used to be ashamed who I was, now I'm paid by the sentence. Taking my time with it. Baby, give me yours, so I could get them butterflies trapped in your rib cage. Let me know we on the same page. Give me with a text, voice note or an emoji. Waiting all day for your name on the ID. So if you want it, tap in. I think that I know somewhere that we could go to Crashland. And we could keep the pace on slow jam. Don't leave me on red. Can we go back where we first began? No plans, all we had was the moment. Just text, I know it's a toss-up. But I hate the fact that we lost touch. Yeah, the Uber pulling up on lost touch. Wanna do? Speak the truth.
I hope you enjoyed that song as much as I did. As you can see, I am just combing through these curls using a wide tooth comb. She was snagging a little bit, I'm not even gonna lie, but then I combed back and then I just layered my bangs just so the curls can fall on top of each other. I just love how this hair ended up turning out, even with the darker roots, because I did want lighter roots, but it just came out super cute. And then finishing off with my generic hairspray, and that's basically it. Let me know down below what you guys feel or how you guys feel about this unit. I'm obsessed with this color on my skin. I want to thank you so much, Yolissa Hair Company, for letting me try out this beautiful unit. Don't forget, you guys, to like, comment, subscribe, and share down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen.